This week, we're trading Dandan's hometown for something electric, an urban escape where every sense comes alive. The lights are brighter, the flavors richer, the energy unstoppable. We slip into a cinema seat and lose ourselves in the charm of good old slapstick comedy, laughing like it's the first time. Then we indulge lavishly dining, bold tastes, unforgettable moments. And just when you think it can't get more surreal, we step into the future, making unexpected friends, bonding with a robot. This isn't just a getaway, it's a full reset. Hi there, we're Lester and Dandan, a Chinese South African couple documenting our journey all across Asia and beyond. Follow us for more content like this, and do hit that subscribe button. This cinema I absolutely love. There's so many games, activities, and just chill spots that you can enjoy. Take a look.
Okay, the massage, you can play pool.
So they've not got electric massage parlors. They've even got massage spots. Play pool, you know, just chill out. Cool. People even doing gaming. Where the hell do you find that? People. Okay, this is how you retrieve the ticket.
So in Alipay, we go to the pocket. Alipay, we go to the pocket, and then we go to tick. Okay, let's go to the Alipay.
Yeah.
And then we go to pocket, and then we go to tickets, and then we see this one, which we bought.
Yeah.
And then we can scan, or we can just
Can you scan it? There we go.
Or we can just do by ourselves here.
Ah. Unfortunately, in China, there's no salty popcorn, so everything is always caramelized. All caramelized popcorn everywhere you go to the movie theater. But hey, let's keep looking up. Our total just set us back at 95 yuan. Oh, where do you find that new metro? And after being a little bit too distracted, my phone battery died.
And then you scan the QR code. Yep. Okay.
Explain what that says to us.
So it's like half an hour is for about 3 yuan.
Okay. And what's the deposit? Usually you have to pay a deposit.
No deposit if you have a good score of your WeChat. Most of foreigners just arrive here and then they don't have the good scores.
So most of them will pay a 50 yuan.
Yeah.
Later on, we took a chance at Skylark Club restaurant and bistro. Gourmet Italian cuisine served at its finest with the freshest ingredients and real attention to detail. But what really caught our eye? The vibe. The whole place mixes these squishy, soft, cartoon-style characters with the sleek, modern, rustic design. It's honestly such a fun contrast. From the moment we walked in, it felt cozy, but still super stylish, like somewhere you'd want to hang out for hours. We tried a few dishes, soaked in the atmosphere.
Unmissable cat.
is the same dimensions of yours. And yeah, definitely a spot that leaves an impression. Let me show you what made this place stand out. So excited.
A duck pizza. Duck.
It's a duck pizza.
Nanjing with duck. That's interesting.
By the way, for this delicious meal we saved 26 yuan. Want to find out how? Do watch till the end. Then on our way home we spotted an imposter. China really is so cutting edge in many ways. Do let me know your feelings on automation down in the comments section below. How do you feel about your job being replaced? Do you fear or embrace robotics? Comment section down below.
Order here, we can scan there to order and then he can bring to us, I think. We go to Alipay and then choose movies. And then we choose the right movie for us. Then we will go choose the right branch of the movie theater, cinema. We choose seats for us. We agree, terms, and then we choose popcorn and Coke because it's cheapest online. Some restaurants have discount coupon QR code. We use WeChat to scan it, and then we put the whole amount money on it. And then the QR code can work out the cheapest discount for you. You can see I saved 26 yuan. Wonderful! We pay via WeChat, and then we get a QR code. Hand the QR code to the restaurant. That's it. Alternatively, if you want to save more, go to Dianping app, buy 2 coupons, which valued 100 yuan. You only paid 54 yuan, so you saved 46 yuan. Wonderful!